Hi guys, it's Kate with WTI, and I wanted to show off this gorgeous footstool from NEWIMAGE. So this is a beautiful brick red color. It's velvet, it's 15.5 inches tall, and it has these really pretty gold legs. So this is what I was looking for. If you want something that's pretty and just gonna add a pop of color to your space, this is exactly what you need. It's nice and cushiony, very sturdy. I find it lends itself more to a little bit of a pink hue, but so beautiful and feminine. It's a color I was going for. So you could use this in a living room as I have, just to have something to put your coffee on, a book, your feet. It is a footstool after all. Or you could use this in your makeup room, near a vanity. This would be really beautiful at the end of the hallway. Anywhere you want to add a little something special, this is such a beautiful option. It's very well made. All of the stitching is intact and it looks like it's going to last a very long time. The legs are on there secure, and because it is that gold finish that is in style right now, so it's just so pretty. So if you're looking to have a little ottoman, a little round ottoman, this is an excellent choice. I know they have a few different styles, but I'm confident to recommend the NEWIMAGE brand. I am really pleased with this, and that's my point of view.